Mukul is a tall and veteran leader.
Nongelam ke National People's Party NPP ubadeiru usembut menteri rangba kejela ubak Sniawbhalang dhar ulapun pawe ke jinglong balakloi ben priang Sniawbha ya ke jingwan iasoh jong Mukul sangma syak NPP da ke baong ngan dei briew ubak kmen tam lada unwan shengi ubak Sniawbhalang ulapun pawe ke ni habakeli halor ke jingla banwan iasoh jong Mukul sangma da kabapen kesan bakadang kloi palat ban keren AA halor kini namar dangdan saar senam shiteng ban poi syak election ha kabaya day berkajing keren badang shen jong Mukul halor kajing dawa ban weng ya ubak Sniawbhalang bat ubak prestun tensong na kekinhun menteri ha kapor jong kajing sensyar ke kongres ubak Sniawbhalang ulajit ban buram ya uni unongelam barang ba nga buram ya Mukul sangma udai unongelam barat ba bat bala rimbha ngam kuak banyak keren ya ke beladap ula ong habapan pawi ka jinga day parlok hapring jongki ngalong parlok bat ulong parlok bat nga
Mukul is a tall and veteran leader, and I respect him. And he always, he knows what he talks. I really respect Mukul. He's one of the tallest in the states. I am always friendship to him. He's always friendship to me. These things too early to commence because election is another 2.5 years away. A time will come. I'm telling you, according to me, you ask me personally, I'm the happiest man if you come to us. On my personal opinion, not the right time to discuss all this.